Hey guys, Happy Splasher here with another stream. We are today going to do the world event that has started, has 3 units, and we are going to get right into it. Okay. First one here, defeat a boss. If we want to change our warlord, do something a little more quicker. Usually at this point, the bosses aren't that difficult, but we want to make sure that we have something in case of unexpected surprises. And pretty straightforward battle. No real explanation needed here. Okay, next one. Okay, so 5 minutes. We're going to go. Change the speed. Should be 5. We don't have to win this particular battle, but it would be nice. Okay, let's see, kill any other unit here. No. Try and get through these nodes as quick as possible. Okay. 500 souls and throws. Do that because we saved some of our quests from yesterday. Let's see if we can find anything. One more. The 500 souls. And we have these two nodes here. We could either play 20 times or find 6 rare heroes and summon. We have chests here from the Mighty Pass. And we're going to use those instead. Usually in these events, it's better to save some of your resources so that you'll be able to get through the nodes pretty quickly. And pretty straightforward. Yeah, well, the stream right now, I mean, it's pretty straightforward, just trying to get through the event. We can focus on some other action stuff later on. Okay, level up Chaos Hero 4 times. And pretty straightforward. What we can level up here. Get any legendary heroes I want to level up. Make a request here to get some units. Okay. All right, another straightforward node here. Okay. Defeat other players 3 times. Okay. Usually this node takes a while. What you can do to actually shortcut it is, so there's a system here that has disciples, and what those disciples do, they can give you gems depending upon what their action is. What I do is look for the disciples. Typically, the disciples are the newer players, and because of that, their stats are going to be much, much weaker. So I just find a disciple that is pretty weak, and then get the battles in. You can also fight other people in League or in Brawl to get the rewards. But again, I just want to complete the node, so that is why I chose this particular point. So as you can see, counts as one battle, and we're going to do that again. Disciple 2, fight them again. And once more. Okay. Have here, find 500 souls of the event rares. These 3 here you cannot get. And sometimes in these events, you'll be able to evolve into these rares from the commons, but For this particular one, none of those units are the case. So what we can do is either just buy the chests or look for them in other spots. Okay. 12 heroes in chests or summon. Pretty easy. Here is go to the shop and buy them here. And also maybe we'll be able to open up enough rares to get the bottom node, but if not, no big deal. And a couple more quests. You can use those chests as well in order to finish the nodes. 5 here, 35 enemies in battle, or find the 500 units. Go to brawl here in order to get these units killed. Here, so we can keep on doing some battles. Right now we've killed 5 units. So a couple more battles that we need to go. Probably another 6 battles. Okay. Not bad. We can get maybe 2 more battles like that, which should be good. Not a lot of units for that particular one. Okay, great. We have enough units to clear the node. Okay. Open to rare chest. You can only open the rare event chest in this particular area. You can't open the chest from anywhere else in order to complete the node. Okay. Another straightforward battle here. We have top node here, either speed up 4 chests, or bottom node here, level up the event wares to level 13. I've already had these leveled up to level 16. When I do this for the events, I set up so that, if possible, I can do the rares that I have in my collection, my epics, and my legendaries to level 16, so it passes all the requirements for later on for future events. But as of right now, I have all these units at level 16, so therefore we don't need to actually spend time to clear it. Right, this node here, summon 2 times. The summon 2 times can be from anywhere, but usually the cheapest way to do it is from the shop. And you can do it by going to the shop and then buying a mercenaries. Okay. As you can see, it is 1 summon for 150 coins. And the second one for another 150. Okay, and one more node here. Again, pretty straightforward battle. Okay, and so that is the end of chapter 1. These people want to see some of the flavor text for the events. Okay, this is the start of chapter 2. We're going to do a little preview of the nodes here, so you can check that out. And okay. So, yep, that was chapter 1. I'll be doing chapter 2 tomorrow. And if there are any other issues, questions, or anything like that, you can leave a comment on the Twitch channel, I believe. And if you're on the Twitch channel, you can also find my YouTube channel where it has the past videos, and leave a comment there if you need to. All right, well, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.